To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Yeah.
I choose.
You choose.
I choose you. I choose you.
Yeah.
I choose.
That's what you say.
I choose you. I choose you. See, at first I thought it was just a game. Another girl messing with my brain. Broken heart can make your feelings change. Have me here thinking all girls are the same.
That's where you made a big mistake, thinking that my love was fake. My best friend was sticking up for you, telling me your words could be true.
Baby, can't you see I was jealous?
Why you jealous?
Girl, your best friend is a man.
Boy, you know what we shared wasn't regular.
Baby, now I understand. I choose.
You say you choose.
I choose you.
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 So please explain to my brain with some honesty. What if I had a best friend too? She always checking me just like you check up.
Oh yeah, to take a dose off.
Girl, I need
No,
your
sir, but me I think about.
Oh yeah,
But
take a dose now.
not really.
So you say what's the plan for your day? Because upon the road me a plan for going but you eat something already?
No, me go look for something, but me not have no plans for the day.
Upon the road me want go check my brethren them. Go all avoid because from there we're there and the place was boring till all the rain start falling and everything. So feel like we just go check nigga them and check it back later. When I come back you must done cook.
Yeah, dear thing, cause my best friend go past through, you know, so you can't go and go check your friend them. So
Me nah no problem for him come over here, you know, because you know me I'm a jealous type, you know, but listen to me I say, babe, one thing me I tell you, don't make him pass the door, yeah.
so why you be so dramatic?
Me no want no man in
that?
my house. I alone more want in my house. You ever seen none of my friend them a go in there? That
Yeah.
mean me no want no man in there.
Listen.
Are
no.
you me live with, and I me I alone and stay in there.
So,
I even my poop and I go in there. Me no want no man in
alright,
there.
stop going so.
You know me
so,
and him no good already, but me nah no problem with you have a best friend. What you say?
so what if you want pee or use the bathroom or
Pee
something?
where?
In a
He a
bathroom?
split and dime. He go piss out and do and piss out one tree and mark his spot. Piss in a upper house. Me say me no want a man in my house. If he want piss, he go out that door.
Anything you say?
Me say if me have front and he have vagina.
Why you be so? Just say you're not jealous type, so me not see
No,
why
but
you going
me don't
to
want
like.
no man in my house. The house is for me and you.
Me
Not for
understand.
me, you and him. Now do that, man.
You know what go
But
on.
listen, me not go cause no argument. Me just want you to work with the one rule. You know what you have to do. So don't do that.
You done?
Look about it good.
You done?
Me don't tell you what me I tell you, you know.
Alright, go on.
And nobody when he come here, you make. He no make you cook your food.
What do you mean?
Like when you sit down with us and
Yeah, we go there talk, said we are me a cook meanwhile.
Yeah. So you see, if you are cook, you pull this door here and him
And
stand
then
up
come in
there.
the kitchen.
Come in
with
the
me,
over
go tell
kitchen.
me a cook.
If he enter in there, I don't want none of the food.
So
So
why
if
you behave so
Him
far?
stand up right there and this door pull, you
Alright.
talk to him from there. But don't let him come inside.
Alright, babe. Me hear what you
Later,
say.
yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Best friend. They're from away, man. They're from away. They're from away. You good? Yeah, man. I'm so far. I'm so far. I'm not saying nothing. Well, alright, I'm so short back, yeah?
You look happy though. What go on?
No there, man, you good? Can't get the look usual hook up. Lord of mercy. What kind of hook up that?
Alright, come.
Lord of
Alright, watch now. Where you going with?
There, I'm glad to see you. Good way I'm gonna see you now.
I know me there, now you know me sturdy, me is a girl. You know me ever hold my look one special, two special night, early part of evening. So just there go on easy, you know, plus one little bar, let's set up play little music, you know.
Yeah, bounce. Me here, man, me here vibe.
Over here, bounce to it.
Come here, some more that can call me and me while I drink, you know. You don't have to drink by yourself, you know. Kind of look like a man here now, drink with that thing or way too dangerous in a drink. You don't know what.
Don't even start
And
there.
they keep on neck and
No, I'm not icky.
oh,
I'm not icky.
mosquito.
You don't have to do that.
Hmm?
You don't have to pin things from people.
That's true.
I don't say you do things.
Alright.
You see this?
Mm-hmm.
It's a girl me licking her face. And the girl hold on for my neck and squeeze and me have to give me right foot. And then me send him back in left foot. And then me just start choke the girl on the ground. Imagine, you know, if one girl hold on your neck so with her hand, you know. The kill you want kill you.
Look like she hold on with her life. But as I say everything level, but you know, one of them days can show me, you know, just sit on a reason just like normal, you know, good old days.
Here we go, I'm glad to see you, you know.
Yeah?
I was like tomorrow I keep a thing.
Yeah? What kind of thing that?
I'm want, you know, as usual, one little party. I'm want if you come cook a soup for me.
Yeah, me can come cook your soup for you. You want to cook your soup? Me can cook your soup. Where you want to cook it? Yeah, that for me. Yeah.
A long time I know, you know. I know you stay.
Oh, me stay.
What kind of soup you think I mean?
What do you mean? Chicken.
Eh?
Chicken soup.
Eh, boiling one.
Eh? Yeah, man.
Not the gut inside one. So don't even look there. But you alright though.
Talk about the soup, man. The soup man talk about. Because you keep on asking me, alright. I'm not alright yet until you tell me what I'm going. Because you really and truly, you know. Enough time I sending me application, but the only reason why I have to ease off certain ways, through my nose, you have a man and so forth. So at the end of the day, but I not see any man apart certain ways. So I not tell you say something not go on, I not tell me I watch a business. But you know, you can read the signs. Life is one big word with a lot of signs. You know what I mean? So what really are going? It go on or it not go on.
Alright, listen.
It kind of go on. But
I don't want to talk what really happened, but I know you for a longer time. The relationship in our work out at all for me. In our work out. What you are going? Me hear you say you've been sending applications and in our work out.
So it work out?
You know why in our work out? Me know you from a longer time. Everybody you want.
No, don't say that. Me and everybody are friends.
Everybody are friends.
Me and everybody are friends.
Well, me not like man we're too friendly. So if you go friendly, you can't be for me. That's why me and the look dirty thinking man. I don't want class. And that's why me and the dirty thinking man, they cannot mesh because you want too much friend. Too much woman friend. No, that can't work with me.
No bother with that, man. Take that man there for your mind. Because when you talk about it, you get so upset and
yes,
like
because of you come and talk about it.
No, alright, drink, take a sip now, man. Sip it away. Sip it away. Sip it out of feel. Drink and sip it away too. Gone. You know what I mean? So, what time tomorrow pass through?
10 o'clock. 10 in the morning because of early settings me I deal with.
10 o'clock?
Yeah.
Don't make me come to 10 o'clock kind of down there, you know.
How me not fi done there? No, for me thing. I feel me thing me I keep. So how me not fi done there?
Don't make me call the phone. I see him number you have?
I see him number me have. It's just that the man did take on my phone for a while. But everything neutral now, man.
So because I buy your phone and take it from... It's fucking a dirty man that...
I may tell him...
You see if I want me and your man, this a man ya, me buy your phone and give you a receipt. And write your name on it.
True.
You understand me? I said, so no check where can go on. No violation can go on.
True. You know something about the idiot bike and come off the road. I be a nice them anyways. True, you would take it back.
I tell you some mistake. So
I'm
going to talk about, alright, see tomorrow I come make you soup more and more sit down genuinely. But sit down under the stars, look up and reason. Because we can't just sit down so and drink rum and look down. When I hug alone look at ground.
Ach-
So we have to look up in the sky and ask Father God, say, you know what I mean? You know, 'cause nature is beautiful, you know. The birds that fly in the tree and all them something, we have to pay attention
well,
to
look
these
and
things.
I really look me, I look down in the car and I phone me, I wonder if we can exchange the car. The phone, they look.
Alright, you all going now. You want phone?
Yes.
You get phone.
Mhm.
But you have to give me something for me consider myself satisfied. Cause you
No,
know,
listen to me.
no, no. Please, before you talk, don't judge me. Don't judge me. What I'm saying, you have to give me that a level of, you know, make me know, say, you mean me good. Me not talk about gimme. Cause that I first thing come here, me see one antenna just stick up in there a while ago, things say me a talk about gimme. Me a talk about gimme little comfort, mentally speaking.
And that happy say,
You
man,
know, that me I said before, I said me have to tap you.
you have to explain,
So
man.
that words are very powerful, you know. A word, you know.
So, enough even, 10 o'clock in the morning.
So run me.
No, I run me around here, you know. Is that me want have a little vibes with the rum. So just 10 o'clock in the morning, swing along.
Yeah, cause you remember you know. Me have a stop my to make up a road there. And things. So see. No. Don't smile like that. Make it sound like a them can't stop them. Me can't
man,
talk to
you're
you so
good, man,
powerful
you're good,
and make them
listen.
stop them.
Remember say I'm a dog for real, you know. So everything go. Oh my God. Swing along.
Me no want to put me in a kennel, you know.
Swing
When I say
along.
dog means a kennel, you know.
Alright, yeah, I'm a general in a real life. So
Jeez. Alright, later. Go get squeeze up now.
later.
Later,
Bye,
yeah? So tomorrow,
love
10 o'clock. 10
ya.
o'clock.
Never fail ya. Watch him. Look a man dog you. Nonsense.
No, we are turning to talk today.
No problem, I know a thing already, I'm not pressure nothing.
So what going?
Yo, me say, how much things are going to tell me now which part of chat. But since you want to turn up and chat,
Yes.
they got to talk it fast.
Mm-hmm.
You know, say, for me, other friend there, call me and say they want, no, I'm not going to make you come. Me will cook one soup down there. And when the soup done, me a carry come give you some. You understand? So, because, remember, you know, the last time when we all a drink and we all a vibe, the way how you and she look at each other and talk, me just say to myself, you know what? I don't know if I'm jealous, she's jealous or what, but I know you're not jealous. You're not jealous, girl!
I'm not jealous of me, jealous for
Exactly.
a part of life.
Eat early from morning.
No, I'm going to cook.
You cook? You cook enough, just put 2 more flour in it. I bet you flour. Flour you cook. Flour?
Oh, you know so.
Oh, you know so, I know. You don't know you? I know you, girl. My God, you look good, though. You look rosy and thing. Your man up there?
No, you know what I'm not too long.
So make it all come in the house. We song and watch it on Netflix and sit and just relax, watch some movie.
One next time.
My next time, show. But
Yeah.
don't worry yourself because, you know, a long time we have talked about it and it will happen soon, you know, and thing because the latest movie we are going, I know some theater of a movie, you know, horror movie. What you love horror movie, sir?
I don't know, ask God.
Eh? You love seeing them push the knife in him?
Alright, don't
Put
know.
this into it. Lord Jesus. You're rough. You also like vampire movie, but me top them sitting there answer cause
Vampire movie no nice again like one time.
like them bite people on their neck. But yo, I mean, like, sometimes I don't just feel good. The vibe just always nice. You know
So you come up here.
what I mean?
We say tomorrow you make it soup.
I'm gonna make it soup tomorrow. She said forward tomorrow. But I don't know if she sometimes some people talk something they're not serious like they're supposed to serious. You know? I wonder if ask them for just if I ask her for just put it off for work cause I don't want to go down there waste my time.
So a man down there? A man go down there?
I don't know about that part. But what I say to you is spoon. If you can borrow your spoon tomorrow.
You know, so you know my spoon and my boyfriend
That's why I
spoon,
know.
you know.
So when him forward me I say if you can lend me his spoon.
Of course, I go lend a spoon, so I try to come free.
I come from
I know your style, you know.
So you go there under the tree?
Yes. I'm going to treat you, I'm going
I'm
to
gonna
treat.
treat, yeah. Just say it, man. Cause you don't know anything. Boy, I tell you some, hey, enough things are going on, I tell you, but,
So, me
nah,
cannot tell me.
no, I have to left something tomorrow.
No,
You
me
know what
no
I
want
mean?
to hear none tomorrow. I want to hear no.
Today, on the
Today,
belly.
no, right now.
See you.
Tell me no.
Yeah, alright. Forward. Yeah, forward on the yard.
When?
Today.
Me will cook.
Yeah, cook fish. Alright. When you're done, cook me a card up on your phone. See? Because when you want to go and go sit
Me no want to hear about you see me face to face. Now you want to tell me about phone.
Listen, man, me go chat now. Oh, get my girl. Jesus Christ, I just love your vibe. Love your vibe, you know, girl. Boy, if your man look, if you have a house. You see, the worst thing about life is when you have somebody in your life where you can't talk to and still not reason with some. Have fun and just, build. It's just sad.
You know, some my boyfriend that like come here move though.
Because I think problem that him not have a personality like us. You know what I mean? So he don't like to talk. I be a cussing. I be saying cusses, man. Yeah, I'm cusses, man. That's true. Talk truth. Girl, talk truth.
Yes.
I tell you, man. People like that, they always cuss and find everything as fault. Why? When life is good. Like, I was there. You know what I mean? For him go in the room and hammer you. You know what I mean? Him go create problem. No, so them things don't make no sense.
You know, so if you stop it.
No, I mean, just talk the truth. You see, the truth always. You see, the Bible always start, boy, say, truth.
That's what you do, man.
What me I do?
How am your woman?
Well, I'm, like, I don't really have a woman now, that thing.
What happened again?
You know, so me I look for somebody like your personality and that thing. And anytime I find that, I feel some me sick for certain. And maybe I go and look, you know. So pray for me.
Search, me go
Father
fast. Amen.
You know what I mean? Pray for
me fast and pray for you.
You fast?
40 days and 40 nights.
Nobody will read that 300 drop down. Jesus alone. Jesus alone can do that. And if Jesus went fast and 40 days and 40 nights, and the devil could tempt him. Can you imagine if the devil could tempt you? Eh? What will happen after that, girl? Not do it. Me have friend. Oh, you are? Make sure you calm the pot down there for me. There?
Me carry Kungio.
Watch it. You not about to take off and sit my face. Jesus Christ. Hmm? You look for your face this morning? Girl, me have to talk, you know. Me need to talk. Sit down really and talk. But me have to call you when the food done. Put two dumplings. Roll them up. Roll up a dumpling. Roll up your thing. See?
You don't want to need.
Yeah, need it, but me have to roll up some of them. You know what I mean? So I can feed every one of them. What you? Later, me girl, yeah?
Be safe, yeah?
You go safe, man. Safe and sound. You know, you just. You watch it this morning, I said, fresh.
Later, me
girl.
sure you call me.
I have to call you. I would not make that day happen where you don't call you one day.
Alright, bye.
Bye-bye.
Jesus Christ.
Dog, you're ugly. Watch out. See, I run me now. Want me, girl?
Me glad me see you.
You glad
Draw
to
a
see me?
chair.
Eh.
This a story along. I need a chair.
You ever have story for it? You ever have story?
Yeah, I'm a storyteller. You need a chair. Girl, how you did there? Me couldn't tell when me see you.
Girl, if you ever know what me did a while ago, up the road me there, and me stand up in a one corner. You know, so me a eat up, me not top grow. Anyways, me tell her up there so, and me say no, you go buy one special. And I bounce to the music. So at that time, at this how me did a while ago.
Look, me not see you with a craving here too. Anyways, you know, long more see you, me have so heap of news to tell you, but through me can't see it like you're locked down.
See, you can't tell me don't lick me.
Oh, sorry. It's just a bad habit. Anyways, remember Chad?
Yeah, everybody know dirty Chad.
Anyways, me and him are going good. We settled down on all these things. But why you call him dirty Chad? You and him have beef?
What say Chad do?
Settle down? Did
Blows
I
and
stutter
skirt.
when I talk?
You never stutter, but me just want you to repeat it, girl. What you mean by you and Chad second down?
You know,
Dirty,
understand.
warring Chad will look everybody.
And personality that in
Girl, Chad look me. And guess what? You see, tomorrow they have a party at keep and Chad come cook soup for me. You want to know what kind of soup you want to come cook? You know, really want.
He my chef, you know.
Yeah, me know.
He can't cook.
Yeah, me
So
know.
nothing wrong with that.
But you know, really want to chef up his soup and me
Then I
want to
will
chef
want
up.
to chef up then.
You want to chef up this year, right? So talk to me good.
A soup that. Anyway,
Hey girl, it's an all-purpose soup. Everything in it. What you talk about?
anyway.
Talk to me good. What do you mean by if this a soup? This a all-purpose soup. Everything in it. The glamity, the tightness, everything in it. So what you talk about? Come, talk to me good.
Anyways, you and your soup. Anyways, me not talk about that. Me not talk about Chad. We all have plans to get married, girl. Y'all laugh like me look. Y'all take me for idiot. No, me not like this.
I know me I take a feed that. And the man I take a feed that.
No,
Cause I am.
no.
You're the biggest yam me ever known in my life. Me
Nothing
swear
wrong
to
with that.
God. Look up to God.
My man
Yeah.
can't cook, he can't wash, he can't clean, and he can't do the do right.
And that's why you
What
put this.
more me want?
That's why you put this in your mouth. Can
What?
you feel like say a snaky eyes? So you feel like say that.
Why you're in my mouth? At least if you listen to what me I say, you just tear down in the mouth, what you have in the mouth. Anyways, as I was,
Clean that
our
up.
kind of nastiness this. Hey,
Clean
me
that
might
up.
have work a bar, but I am not a cleaner.
No, listen, clean that up. Listen to me now. Me used to walk about now. Don't forget. And when the people then drop them cup and then drop everything, when they drink water, and me same one have to clean up. So where you talk to me about? Where you
read
say?
me lips. Me and you is very different.
Girl, chat to my back.
That me I tell you. Anyways, that me I talk about spin back round. Right. As me I say now, Chad tap it me the pan.
Continue to talk, yeah, my Bella.
Me gonna always say, man, as long as me I am for one man, I mean I am for 6, 4, and 10.
Hey. And the man I am for 5, 6, 7 woman.
Nothing wrong with that. You can't do a threesome. There's not a problem with that.
Hey, I'm tell you, if me I take a man, me not play hide and do it. Real bad girl not play hide and seek. So
I am not
we not play threesome around here. You see, if you want threesome to play, you go along to some skettle out the road because guess what?
And you say no man I look you, you know.
If a man a look me and
I
me
mean
decide
I
to
left
take
my
him.
man to please nobody.
No,
you know.
listen, you know, if the man a look me and me decide to take the man, no threesome can go on and the man stop him at the same time.
All you do,
can't
you
talk to
take
me.
him, but just know say my personal man that I'm not left
And
him
that's
for
why my
nobody,
person
and he
is
not left me for nobody. So we have to say no.
You know what I say? You see the yam
We
them we
have
a plant.
all we want.
No, listen.
It's just that he wants something fresh.
You see the yam them we a plant, and you groom them.
I swear go. He can't always want for me property. You have to want somebody else.
Because that's simple means
He
you still
wants
not
some-
work. Brother, you
He
still
wants
not
none
work.
of that. He
You still
can't.
not good enough
He-
because if you still not good enough, a man will
Girl,
look
he
3, 4,
can't
5.
eat all the
6
time.
woman.
He have to switch.
Alright, let me tell you something,
If
baby
he
girl.
gets steal out, you know, I don't want my front to steal out. Me very sorry.
Alright, let me tell you something.
My front have to fresh
Alright,
up.
listen.
So when
listen.
me can't give him tonight, you give him tomorrow.
Listen,
No,
you
no,
see a
no,
man
that-
who give me, you're sick. Let me tell you something. You see me don't like Rasta man. Rasta man nasty.
Well, for me, why not
Listen.
nasty? Him very clean.
Anyways, listen to me. Don't have fear Rasta man. I don't want to hear nothing more about Rasta man. Here I go now. You see tomorrow, the party, me will take some information to make you know if it's still a go on tomorrow or the next day. You understand?
Our kind of party. Come
Watch
on,
out,
come
watch
on, lame
Watch
party.
out our kind of party.
Yeah,
Hey
come
girl,
on, no lame party.
you know see me hat? Me say if you don't see me hat, I be a hot girl roll up on my place and be a chopper.
Oh, make
Me
sure.
short man, they come on my place. So listen to me. Say when I come on my party tomorrow, don't wear them piece of chips in there because listen to me, me can't take embarrassment.
You know I said true, me can't stand up, come and foot them and at me, make me no show you me nice outfit, you brighty, but cheap wear. No say so, man.
You know what I think? So when I say so, I say you would if you do turn up around me things are shot as you say they shot one box, you know. Cause girl, me say,
Alright, go on, cause you're not wrong. Go on.
friend for a longer time.
Go on,
You know what I mean about tracing, but listen to you, top yam.
No, yamming is good.
No, listen to my friend. Me a friend for this. Just stop yam, man. Stop yam. Yam no good for you.
It is
And
good
you
to
know-
yam than to whore.
You know, no. Me never say if you go whore.
Me never say me
You
a
know
go
what
whore.
hottest thing? You know, name the yellow or the white yam, you know. Yeah, name the yam of plantation.
You know, say I show my friend home in a store now with the buckle. Chad. What are you there? Alright. You can't meet me right around my workplace. No, me need to talk to you right now. The urgent, the emergency. He bought up on fire. Alright. Me a wait. Not take too long, cause this bigger than me. Alright, me a wait. Just can't see ya. Alright, to see my husband.
What you do out here, sir?
Are you married upon you now?
So, me turn security for me now.
What do you mean if I turn security for you now?
So, you don't know which part I'm going already up on my bridge in them, so I can't wait for me, that's all.
Me wait for you for you come back. So why problem? What if me sit down out here so? Me not have nothing around there so if you do something come sit down here, so is there a problem?
So, the Rasta boy, they come here today.
So why you class him as Rasta boy?
So,
Me
him
not
a
like
what?
that.
My ballhead? He a Rasta. He a boy. So, what wrong if me say I'm a Rasta boy? Me no want you think me a try to be jealous, you know, but
No,
me just
you
want
are.
to know.
Yeah, play like you're jealous right now. Me
No.
not like that.
Me just don't want to deal with no assumptions, so me just want to know what going on in my relationship. Me need to know if he come here or not. He
Yes,
come here?
he come here. Me did tell us.
He going to my house?
No, why you behave like that?
So when you are cook and he there,
He never
which
there
kind
when
is
me
there?
a
He there
cook.
on the veranda?
He never there when me a cook.
Me just want to know what going on in my relationship. You know. So how you cook?
Flour and curry chicken.
Yeah, just go and share out the food for me. Because right now I kind of feel a little bit nice. Because you never know, a boy then tell me to go and drink a special and it's a buckle they and buy.
I say I want to leave. Go
So,
drink back.
So I ask you a question. If you just lock up in the house all day, baby,
Me never
you're not
said
supposed
that
to
to
can
you.
go outside and get little enjoyment. Same like how your friend come look for you and you reason. I can't go reason my virgin them too. And I like a woman virgin me I go reason with them.
Me don't know if you're raised with woman because all woman nowadays some are not honest.
What you mean?
Anyway,
Just go
your
share
food
the
shared already, but fear one the on the right side and fear one the on the left
Come in and know where
side.
you wait for notice, so come in.
Why you take so long? How am I ears see a go on?
Wait,
What my ears see a
Amanda,
go
this
on?
is not like you. What is happening?
Well, my ears see a go on. I don't make me have to raise up my
Alright.
voice and make the whole neighborhood hear me.
Relax.
You pinky there?
What that you drink me for? Hey, relax yourself, man. I can buy a drink and listen to that you drink me for? Pinky?
Look for me.
Eh?
Hold on.
Look where you go.
Look for me. Where you take me for?
You take it from me, woman.
Wait, no. Where you really actually take me for?
Now listen to
I
me.
either to take me for.
Me and you there. And me have something special. See? We both been through hurt. So we know if you're angry because of this situation where the man cheat on you and take you for fool. So you can't take that out on me and feel say I'm the same thing. And don't make nobody tell you nothing in your ears. Because people don't like to see good relationship go on. You never know that. When you see when people see a good thing going on, they might go chat, they might go this, they might go that. Me and Pink, alright, which day they must have Pink? That's a which day. Today, Pinky see me. And she had begged me to come to her party, come make soup. And me I tell the girl, say me no depend where you depend. But she had begged me. Then I said to myself, alright, let's go and just deal with it and so forth.
Hold on, pause. Stick up in. How you think me look, walk around in our community, everybody a look at me like this big yamed?
You cannot be a yamed. How you be a yamed?
I saw me looking at the street, every walk,
Yeah, but who told
people
it?
are, and I whisper. How you expect me to feel?
Like yes, put one cotton, two cotton swab in it, or put, if you
This is
can't
a
put
real
cotton
idiot
swab,
to take me for.
put tissue in it and lock off in it.
Just to say idiot to
Me
take me
not
for.
take you for idiot, but yeah, make them take you for idiot. You understand me? I said, top neck. Yo, listen to me. It's either me or the world, you know. I can't one man against the world. I one man and one girl.
From me I talk, me never yet get up and say, alright then,
Every
me a
man-
go. Tablet me a talk. Me never yet get up and say, alright then, me a go look at next man.
Me can't tell this one thing.
Why me a talk?
Me can't tell
Tap
one
it
thing.
nice.
Me can't tell.
Hello. Till the time of talking is over, me a chat.
That-
That's when me a chat, you listen to what
That
me a
loud
say.
thing that not gonna work with me, you know, cause
It's a go walk.
It gonna work. Alright.
Yeah, you hear what me a say?
Me a
Me
hear
never yet get up and say me go look at next man. Why you supposed to be a jump in a every girl where you see crutches? Awa.
This a boy, yeah?
No, me. Can you see me a walk a jump in the crutches?
Me tell you already say last time when me have a relationship and the woman so loud. Me tell you, I have here. Me not me take time to take on myself. And you make
And
me
take for
cause of
yourself.
Pinky.
At this point
You
in
make
time,
me-
you need to take for yourself for real.
And that's how I go with it?
Yes.
Because of Pinky.
Because me tired. Me reach a one point in my life where me tired.
Alright.
Read me lips, look on my face. Me tired.
So the money what me when if start out certain thing, that cut out then. Talk to me. If you say you're tired.
Yes.
It's alright. Some members said that you say.
And
See?
that me say and that me mean. Now, you know so when me say something I mean
Me
it.
can't really say make people.
Who from my workplace? Go on in your yard, man. Go on, man. Go on.
Everything good.
Go on. You
Remember
must
me
find
tell
somebody better.
Hello, don't come at me yard a ball.
Me not have to come at your yard
Yes.
and ball. Me can rent somewhere. Go on.
You're more loud today.
Go on.
Watch what go on tonight.
Go on, Chad. Tell you know, man. I can't really lucky. Chad! Make that even an advice. Me short too much, man. The man really and truly lucky gate for true. All them serious something here. Chad! Me can't short, you know. Cause my vice horse.
How that?
It's like you don't know my vice. Come.
What's me lock it door away, sir? What man ain't gone, man? I want now.
Let me.
Eh?
Me did under rum. Me never mean to do it.
You know mean for do what?
Me never mean to short what.
But me tell you say shouting thing and me now go work out, you know.
Me did under rum and me did under craving. Me never mean to be. I true Pinky can't tell me. I'm the kind of believe. That's why. And that's why I get upset and shout. I'm telling that people are come to me about you.
Alright, me tell you what go on now. You see the shouting thing and loud noise, me tell you, so me can't deal with that. And me tell you, and it's like you can't control yourself. What we need to do is, you need some time for yourself. Yeah, you need some time for yourself. That's the best way me say that. Because you have to understand, say, yeah, me's a boy, you know, me personally, how you know that already. Me talk about that, me sit down on pillow and reason about that.
Sit down on pillow.
What you mean? Pillow talk, you know, what, da?
Sit down on pillow or sit down on bed.
Well, anything you want to say, pillow sit down or whatever.
So I just say, let me. When me
Listen, you have to go call back your mama, you know, and tell him, say, you're sorry. Just like you come apologize to
You
me,
know say me
you go back to your mama and tell him
hey,
you're
for me
sorry.
a thing and for me and mommy thing are two different things. Them thing they not go join.
Go back to your mama and tell your mama say, you learn a lesson today. But I can't make you forward in, because if you forward in today, you're not going to take me serious. You understand? Because I can't afford for the fact say, I'm going to break you in one situation now where you feel like I didn't know. My personality high. I talk to people and I just have fun with people and that's it. There's nothing to it. But you know a fella she because she not have no man one love her. How if you have a man and you don't do a drink by yourself? That's it. What that say? I don't feel of situation that when me a drink, me a drink. When me a hook up, me a hook up. When me a love up, me a love up.
So
You know,
aggression, sir.
yeah, because I assure you say certain things are necessary. You see it? But
So.
listen to me, just go cool out a little bit. You understand? You hear me?
What is it?
Just go cool out a little bit. Not tonight, not today.
Hold on. The hair block my ears. What is it? Talk again.
Nobody grab me, you know.
What you say? What you say? What you say? What you say? What you
See
say?
low thing again?
Me not get me not.
Not today.
You would want me get low.
Not
What you
tonight,
say?
not tonight.
Not tonight.
Not tonight. I give you fear if you go for your man.
Yeah, give me fear.
So taxi $100 have to go. But on the bike, go up there so and $100 have to go on the next bike.
Hello, sir. Cause at this fighting time, you act too na. Me look like a $200 girl.
I never say I told you that girl, but I told you
What me I do with that?
Alright, yeah, money. Alright, so later.
Me never tell us me have money, but what me I do with that?
Figure your yard. That's
Oh,
how me have.
me not gonna write as me stay.
You can't-
See how my voice a go away.
You can't say so tonight. Just don't make a scene.
Me can ask you a question. Me can ask you I have me want you answer me honestly, cause at this fighting time me I get heated again. You have somebody in there?
Me.
No.
This
me.
a boy, yeah? No.
You have somebody in there?
No.
Alright, pull the gate and me go in there go look by myself.
No, you trick me. I trick
Me
you.
not
Trick
tricking
me.
you.
You're going on, you lock gate for me.
Pull
You
the
lock that's the
gate.
key. No gate now pull today. Just relax someone and stop no
Hey,
man. Don't make me
let me go. Let me go. Let me go.
Don't make me
Pull the
correct
gate.
you. Just seize the man.
Sorry, pull the gate.
Stop now.
Pull the
Amanda,
gate.
stop now.
Stop what?
Stop doing this.
What am I doing?
My neighbor them
Chad,
don't
I
want.
do business. Chad, you don't want me get load and dark out here. Me acid you. Pull this.
Not tonight.
You're not pull the gate.
No, I'm not pulling it.
Or you want me pick it lock?
Pick it if you
I
can.
want
pick
me
it, yeah. Just relax. I'm going to tear it. Listen.
Chad.
Amanda, stop
Chad.
now. Amanda, stop now, Amanda.
Stop. What?
Just
Let me go.
Take your time, go on. Take your time, go on. I come
Pull
outside
the
to talk to you. I'm not pulling on gate.
Hey, don't touch me.
No.
Don't touch me. Do not touch me. Don't.
Oh God, what is
Touch
the
me.
tonight? Just stop now, man. Me
You
tell you.
never know say what mad girl there with you.
So you mean mad girl? What you mean like?
You never know say me want Bellevue patient.
You never know tonight. Me know. So it worse.
Pull
Me
the
can't
gate.
pull. Me now pull the gate.
Pull the gate.
Go on cool out. Go on cool
Me
out.
say, you see me like Friday so tonight, Chad, you see when I come back in the morning, you're not gonna like me. Pull the gate.
Go on and come back. Go on and come back for some big case. You can't go on now.
Okay, Mr. Chad Williams, sir. They're gonna left your yard. But I shall be back tomorrow.
Alright.
Bright and early. Not even 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock.
It-
Don't tell me if you calm down. No tell me if you calm down. Me I come back. And just know me not come back so handy. Me I come back yard. Meds when me I say. Me I come go about my business. Me must rent a hotel. Mark me word, you know. I am coming back.
Where me nah come back.
Come. If she catch you, she kill you.
You see, me nah come back down here.
Listen. No, whatever the fool.
Me nah come back down here.
No, me and she fall out. And that's such because she
She could have come in there.
Yes, she could have, but me now how much she come in there.
Me nah come back.
Listen to me, man. Just relax down and build now. Me need to now come back.
Me nah come back down
I'm not
here.
even done. Me will come back for you later.
What me why you not even
We
done?
never done. We must say we never get this side.
Me nah come back. What if she come back?
She now tap it. 40 years, but she'll come back now.
Oh.
We will talk. Later we talk, yeah? Come on, man. Me love you, man. Come on, man. Talk one like you know. Sure. You don't understand the situation?
Me not come back.
Alright, later, here.
Alright.
Love you.
So girl, what one?
So I can just come through my back part, so
You know like me I look for you?
you look for me for.
I
My
look
last
for my friend.
girl, me there.
Cypress.
No,
How
me there.
you say they do?
Me have for my best friend to come for his spoon. He want to go make some soup.
Yeah man.
My best friend.
Eh?
My best friend.
Your boy best friend.
Yeah.
You know like more ask about that there, so. Look at her. How your man feel if you know say you have a boy best friend?
Who, me man?
Mm-hmm.
No, so I'm not thinking feel a way about that. Because honestly,
Girl. Yeah, listen to yourself. Every man feel a way when he come to them woman or other man.
no girl. And I like, say, he knows say me not go give him bun. And he knows say how far me and my boy best friend I come from.
Sometimes I see the man looks stressed out, brother.
What you mean stress out? Like, me not understand. Because
You know, sit down and study a man. You don't know when a man mood change when it come. I no more you do. Talk about your best friend around your man.
He not gonna feel a way about that because he know my best
Yeah,
friend.
you so person.
What do you?
You know, so if you say me you have friend, you're a fool. No, oh, you're a fool, girl.
What you mean by me fool?
Because you know, study your man and everything and your boy best friend.
What your problem? Why you come for me about my boy best friend? Me not like this.
Because no girl not supposed to give me spoon too.
Give me this. Hello?
No girl not supposed to
Try
have a
no
boy
one say.
best friend and they have man. When a single you do that, no when they have one in our relationship.
You see, if my man did have a problem, he would have come to me about
You take
it or would have
you
said
take
something.
the time out to know if your man you ever go to him and say, B, you feel that way about me and my boy best friend, you ever do that?
But from in the beginning, he know say me have a boy best friend and I like
The
saying
man
never
probably
know.
rate us him, accept you with it, but I know something where him like or something where him put up with.
Sean, what your problem?
Tap, give me this. No boy best
No, you must have mad me. I'm gonna give my boy best friend it. I'm gonna lend it to him. Try no
I
say I'm
go
my
your
best
man
friend
spoon.
that, you know.
What that have to do with me? Your man come first.
Yeah, my man come first and if me lend him this, my man not have no problem with it.
Everything I always wear boy best friend no. Me not trust you on him.
What do you mean you don't trust me and him?
Me not
Girl,
trust
you're lucky.
you. Me not trust no type one.
And my
Marika, you know say sneaking.
with one.
Yeah, you're sneaking. Yeah.
No, why you say that now?
You're sneaking. Me not trust you. As a friend, me will tell you the truth. Me not trust you, girl.
You better you go in your yard and leave me alone.
Me not trust you.
I true, me not choose you as my best friend.
Me
That's
not-
why.
who do I you
True,
as
me
my
choose
best
him
friend?
as my best
Because
friend.
a man,
You have a
me not have
problem.
way. Me not have way have. And me not have way him a give you.
No,
I
I'm
when
tell him
can
me
you?
like him because guess what? He can chat mix up in a girl. For
But
a
me
boy.
can't. Then
No,
if I-
you don't know if you chat mix up.
then if
You
I
don't know.
look at her, if I that make you say if I that make her him a for your best friend. As you saying can chat.
No,
mix
yeah,
up.
well if I secret answer.
You should have can chat it with me. Me should have be your best friend then.
You see it? A best friend you look. Come get your yard. Me no
No,
want you
I'm
to
a
be my
best friend. Me a look. Me a try to secure your relationship because you say it go mash up because they're your best friend.
No, my relationship now mash up because I'm best friend.
Come on, you boy, you see what I do? I wait for my best friend with spoon in her hand. Never see this.
You have a
in my
problem with that?
lifetime.
Eh?
A good little man money take by a spoon and you
Yeah, my
still
man
insist.
spoon.
And you lend best friend.
Yeah, me and my best friend.
Hey,
You
girl,
don't have
see
a
you?
problem with him.
No, so me a drop a friendship.
Me not care what you want to do. Me have my boy best friend.
Everything
as
are your
long
boy
as
best
me have my
friend.
boy best
You
friend.
tell a man.
Me no business.
Me a
He know.
open up in your
And I like
things.
some he no know. He
You know
know.
say you whore.
Poor like a your hey, the ramp
whore.
come get your yard. Come go on your
You a
yard.
friend, me a
Avoid
tell you
me.
the truth, you whore like a dog.
Thank you. Me go down and so go check if in the come.
A good day not even no spoon you want lend no boy best
That's
friend.
not your
A good
business.
day hole you want lend him if you
After
lend
me
him
eat, if me want lend him it, I'm not gonna lend him it because I'm a best friend.
Catch him.
Hey, miss, hey.
Go lend him a spoon and then give a tool. Upon him.
Look at why. Me can't believe you. I really sit down and start sleep.
Yo, no. You have to understand what's going on today.
What going today?
You know what I'm saying? Go some no man. Oh yeah, wait, turn the phone.
No, me vex with you.
You can't vex me. I can't vex me,
Me
girl.
not laugh with
So,
you.
what you mean?
After have me sit down and me get away from you all
But,
long.
come on now, listen. You must know what the situation is. I must something. You see me lie down here so. I wait for shop open. Now shop open. And think, come here, say, I buy the stuff them. Come collect his spoon. Thank you, my girl.
Yeah.
Why you can't depend on you? Jesus,
Yeah,
thank
so where
come
you
on,
come
man.
from?
Jesus
Where
Christ. Whoa.
Oh, make you tired, sir. I
Hold
see
on.
that.
No. You know some next friend is attack. Hello? Hello? Yeah, man, because me there I wait for the me and my best friend for forward and she forward and now me a collect the spoon cause me I come cook the pot still, you know. Yeah? Me I come cook the pot. Remember say you want the soup, so me I come deal the soup for you later. Alright? Soon forward, man. Soon forward. Cause I say me the spoon there. Yeah. No, we don't send that little down, man. Eh? Alright, cool. What no?
Give me back my spoon. Me not bother learning.
So make a face.
Me not bother learning my spoon. Are your next girl best friend you make soup for? And that's why you come borrow my spoon?
No.
Me not like
Listen,
your style.
you and my...
can't have two best friends.
No, we established that already. Me are different. You understand me? I say. So nobody make it sound like say me a try for make somebody else feel more special. No man, you don't know for me and for your thing already, right? I mean, no want nothing change that. I mean, you feel like say you go falter in no way. So how's the day? Otherwise, don't talk to me, no, man. And stop going so.
Alright. Shan come over yard.
Shan?
Yeah.
And come do what?
And the talk say how much you know trust me and you. Because me in a business if me not see some man begs when time me talk boy you want to sit.
Let me tell you something, man. She jealous. Straight and plain. She just not have no consideration of your feelings. So she know I feel like some boy because you feel comfortable talking to me about certain things. No, she know I gonna make it sound like it's a wrong thing. I'm hearing her things. You know what I mean? We don't know why people stay so. But you can't follow her, you know. I bet you don't follow her and get the... That's why when me I talk to my brethren, that's now you feel away because you feel like there's something really going on. Girl, yo. Me different, man. You don't know a thing. You know what I mean? Come here, man. Chop bomb, right? You don't, hey, me think different, you know. Right? Yeah. Eh? Allow me to tell? Man. You say, girl, this morning me get up and I say, boy, I want to eat some food and you're just so tired. I'm going to beat a bun and cheese and just run my belly.
Jesus.
Me I say, oh, what this for me?
You sure you not get bun?
Well, if I bun me, I get, deserve it. All right, mommy.
But
they deserve it because certain circumstances. But no, despite from that, the thing where you say you want me help you out with, and when you say you want me
come tomorrow.
Come tomorrow?
Yeah.
So hold on. So if your boyfriend go there yard?
He go work.
He go work. Oh. Come here and say, I don't want to be a case where, I mean, like when look at me sometimes when me a reason, like me a sit down and me a talk and thing, and me a bring certain things going drop off, or, me a help you with certain things I fix. If you want to fix the things that me a fix down for your yard, he could have do it. Somebody know why I feel like say, me and you know, I me a help you, me fix this, your cupboard, your cabinet. You understand?
Exactly. In the day, I don't know why I love him still but anything me have to call upon you.
But when you sure say not cheat upon you?
What mean cheat upon him? No, you know
me
say
say,
if me did that do that
I know your sister that I think with your ears deaf. Me say, you sure say him not cheat upon you?
I don't know if I cheat upon me.
You sure? But you're checking phone and then sitting there?
No, I'm not checking phone.
Girl, you have to check your phone and know what's going on. The only way you can really know the in-depth because people tell you things based on how it sound good. They not tell you about the things them where I saw you actually go.
So you feel so give me one?
Me feel so.
Jesus. Oh, me gonna search him phone and he always have him phone. If
So-
him a go bathroom, me have him phone.
When I sleep, you have him phone?
When him a sleep, him put it under him pillar.
Alright, what you need to do now is tell him, say, if we don't want a serious relationship, you need to know him code them and you need to know in ins and out. Because if it's serious, you have to be serious that way they can half serious and half not serious. You understand me I say? Girl, me have your best interest, you know. You have to remember that. When you get icky doing suck off your neck door. Lord Jesus. Whoa, you love that same thing then that's so.
You did have to see that?
You have to see it, man. You know, I'm a friend, I have to check on you.
Alright.
So as me say, make sure say not cheat on you, check on him.
Yeah, make sure say me get some ice soup.
Yeah, get some ice soup, man.
Me not ramp with that.
But what you need for maybe do is maybe you have to come and fill me yard for your cup because I don't know how tired I'm gonna be after me done. You understand? How?
Me not like your style.
What kind of style?
Every time I'm here for they come down your yard for food.
Yeah, because me tell you something, I feel uncomfortable if I come here yard sometimes, especially if the man did it. I mean, one thing go walk in and come see. Exactly. So they come on. Yeah?
Big up yourself.
Come give me a hug up, man. You're going like a hug yourself. You know what I mean? So later, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. There, I don't be out there. Your man over there. You over there? Something to give some time then. So you tell me say so you tell me say yeah, because yeah man, so what going is yeah man, just call me. Me out the door and I tree away.
Why I'm a good
All right.
post.
I want now.
Don't lag me, want see you.
See me for what?
But you can't see people relationship and left you alone.
What do you mean by that?
What do you mean by that? Chad!
Shan, what you want? What you want? Me not want you. Yeah, you deaf say me not want you. I come me not want you. I say you go and I go around the place and I can chat. Me no want you.
So my friend Marika, are you a best friend?
It burn you? I show me no want you. Make you go and say.
Chad, me never want you. You whore. You see, two whore people can't agree.
Oh, you're a whore?
No?
You're convinced?
Marika, whore.
What do you mean say two whore people?
I said two whore people
Can't
agree.
Can. You say can't.
Can agree.
What you want from me?
You whore, Marika whore. And then now, you talk about who cook soup for who fled spoon like you feel say nobody did bad big gas so. You see, me say a time for reveal it to a mountain me left on to. Me left it to mountain that come.
And you come here and chat about what and you make no sense. Me no want you. And you're vexed and you're bad mind and you're jealous. You're just jealous. All me can smell right now jealousy.
Take a good look for
All
you.
me can smell jealousy.
Take a good look
for me. What upon me?
You feel like send me that sleep with you?
I show me studio up. Remember, say you tell me say if meet you, I never meet you. And then when you see me now, you see me with the next girl. And you feel like say, I make up a story. I make up a story. I bex. But me and you can't get together. At that, I burn you. But guess what? You can't say anything right now. So how you take my money? So where you take your money then?
Money.
So where you
I
take
will
your money?
take your money, not you.
But you take the
When
money.
I take your money, not you, Chad.
Shan.
Let's be realistic. You know, I talk about our best friend to go under a little girl.
Listen to me.
I see to her head. Light. You're going to get a chance to do it.
Me I get a chance to do it.
You're going to get a
And
chance.
because you know, say me might get a chance to do it, it a burn you.
It can't burn me.
Your arm a burn you?
Mm-mm.
Your nose a burn you?
No.
Your mouth a burn you?
No,
Your ears hole a burn you? Eh?
I mean, you burn me
Yeah, because you're bad man and jealous.
No,
me no want you. You claim say you don't want me.
First thing, that little girl that wore out, mock out. Are you?
You know the first thing I always realize with people?
Are
People
you?
always use some bad words and things because I try to put people in one bad light when they know say I saw your turn.
Chad,
You don't know
you
say your
couldn't
turn?
sleep with her.
You couldn't see actually looking at Iron right now. He's vex kind of going.
Chad,
He's vex kind of going. Me no want you boss.
The fact of the matter is, he man so find out and want him
Find out say what?
beat it to her, no. And me
time
I
go
go
on.
make sure say man know. The thing
Yeah, make sure your man know what.
me I go make sure say our man know.
Our man know what? What our man
The
know?
man not even like you.
No busy about that, you know. And him and me a friend.
Wait till
That
he
is
come
all
from
me I say.
work.
Let me see where you come from
Wait till
work.
he come from work. Me go
Yeah, as somewhere you go?
Me say if you don't want to go up
As
there
somewhere
now.
you go?
Me say if you don't want to go up there now. You don't want to go.
Me alright, man. Time if you go up there, yeah? And when me go up there, me go take picture and
You don't have
snap
to
it.
take picture.
And
cause me
send it
say-
and give you personally.
Mm-mm,
Cause
no,
most
I
that
see.
you want.
Me don't want it.
Sean, go on, we are gonna leave you alone now. You can't leave me alone now.
But spoon soup and boy, you can't call Miss Marcia. I could look at me. Hey, listen to me.
Bad mind.
Well, I only use a set of germs. All you want America she. As I touch him, say like open.
Oh, you know that.
Me don't care who you want.
Bad mind.
Oh, America. You know how long me to the princess and just a dance you pass. Come here 1 minute. Oh, come here, they take so long for come. Let me tell you this now. Cause from what you say like my ex-man now give me no time. Yes, y'all.
And all that affect me, that's none of my business.
Are you make him now no time for me? Everywhere in there, you're the back of him. I know me can't win him back. See, you take up too much time, take up much space.
Me not understand this.
What do you mean you don't understand?
I don't like say me and him, they are my best friend, we talk about things. So if I want back your man, run him down and go catch him. You not attack me, but your man go attack your man.
Mama, are you me attack because are you ever decide I'm a man? Listen to me now. It's as of today, me not really want to see you back with me man. Me not business yarn him over. Me not want to see you back
I
with
mean,
me
you
man.
talk to?
Yes, Marika, you me a chat to.
Listen to me
I'm
right
to that
now.
fat face with your man.
That's
Are
why
you me
I
that talk
don't
to?
want you. That's why I don't want you because you're too loud and vulgar. You see, if you calm down yourself, probably we take time crawling back to you. But because you don't have no manners or nothing, you go stay out there. And I know me make your man not want you. You understand? So come off from my back.
They will tell us the man no want me. They say the man not give me no attention.
And your ex, as what you say. So
And me
why
can't
fi
get
give
back me way in
attention?
life.
Then if you can't get back away, mama, go on as I say nearly, nobody not stop you.
Then that's why me I try to take you away. Because you needed everywhere him there are you that me can't get no time with him.
Well, you see me by myself now, though. Call
For
him
now.
on the phone and you will find him by himself right about
Alright,
now.
go on. God go with you, come in and come. I hope you walk and buck your toe down the road and just bust your face. Go on.
And you go
Move
drop
from me
for your
and get and go on.
But look at you.
No, oh, you look
I don't know
so.
when this in a first place. Bye.
Yeah, man, I'm still away from you. You know, gone yet or no? Yeah, man. Just call me, because I really want to come over there. Alright, cool. I want no, man.
Yes, me come along, you could have said, alright, cool, I hang up the phone. What happened?
No bother with that. No bother with that. Me tell you already say when you depend on certain things. You understand me I say? Basically, you need to know your place. I can't take the naga and the loud noise and in my ears like bell ring every time. Whether we are make love, don't stop! And you grab me and choke me.
You say your head big.
Head big, not true.
So, yes.
Listen to me, say
Time,
stop,
man.
stop.
And I feel like you want to go back together.
No, I'm gonna feel say it right. You change the sense it. You fix this. It's me talk about.
When me a clock in sense in your head, because you don't have no sense. You just big for nothing. Yeah. So, what happened when me can move in back?
And me a talk to. I can't me a talk to. We don't deal.
Me not see nobody else right there, so.
Jesus Christ. That me, all right. You see the day you can move in back, eh?
Eh.
And the day when you put one silence up on your mouth. You understand me? I say and tone it down. No, this is not you. This is not the real. You fake it right now.
You're lucky. Listen to me now. Because I weeks, what about weeks, me I wait, you know, me I wait for the call and me can't get the call. I want to move in back. Because all the one America, she about best friend, this and best friend that. I don't want to dash couple chemical pan her, you know.
So you still at the girl and face, you share the reason why me and stop talk?
Yes.
Eh? So you still stop pressuring my friend, man. My friend.
Friend.
It's just my friend, nothing to it. So if someone know you make it sound like it's something or something.
We're not really business.
And so what you see, you
anyways, we come back for me kick and I'm moving tonight.
That not gonna happen.
And no ask me, I ask you. I tell you, if you don't give me the key, I will broke in.
Alright, listen to me, I say, Shanice.
Mm-hmm.
Miss Right. Today, your name is Miss Wrong, because that is a wrong concept you're trying to have. Basically say you want to come take the key to move in and so things work.
You see today, you're no longer Chad. You're no turnbull with that big old head of yours.
Anything you want to say. But me I tell you say me can't take it nice. Cause me can't in my bed comfortable. I hug up my woman and it sound like a market me there. Eh? Me can't deal with that. And
well, if I don't want to hug me up in the bed, feel sound like a market, they come to coronation market. So we deal the market in our real life.
Can't work out. Me not lie you. Me not upon that. So anything we do,
if I even by force, we are going to back, you know.
By force, me not think so. Listen to me. Where you had to come from when you go?
Don't worry your head.
What you had to do when you saw?
Don't worry your head. That's
No,
why I'm
so
telling
you
you now. Say if you don't give me the key, you shall see me side of you one night.
Alright. Change your clothes and come back.
For what?
Just go bathe and freshen up and come back.
For what?
And then we can talk. We have an ice cream and
no, I'm not hungry.
Let's no, me not say hungry, I say let's take it from there. Cause more alright. You see when we care about ice cream and if we did that we can talk low and the conversation.
My voice can't turn down. I'm sorry.
So
I saw me born and I saw me go grow and I saw me go dead.
So I'm sorry then, but me can't work. Me go cook some soup. Go and go freshen up. As I said before, I make we start from this. See? So when you see me this. Call me when you're ready.
Alright. Yeah? And block my number then. Cause every time I have to call you with my phone. Yeah, nice. Alright, later. Yeah.
One thing with the band about. When you know say you have a woman in your yard and you have a man best friend. What you know? You see me is a youth way. Me don't want jealous youth in my relationship. Me give my woman space. Because you see in a relationship with your woman are going to want space.
But God, you have to remember, you know, that the man best friend there, you just want you to slip, you know. You can slide in, you know, my daddy.
Slide in where?
Not in it.
You're mad. Listen to me, I say, man, although I don't like the youth there. That the youth then I pressure my woman, I tell her everything good.
You not go pressure it. I tell you, you not go pressure it. But watch you know. Alright. We can just go one day, man, and just pick up our argument with him, and just find something, man, and see, and just let him go on 2 days or so, and see.
Listen to me, I tell her, man, I tell her much as how me hate that the youth there. You see me, because I didn't have one beef back in the days. But me I tell her, say him now pressure my woman, because I see my woman a deal for 1 week. And I see all him like him encourage her. See link back on my foot. So I know say, him not depend on the foolishness there. You see, woman, You see, if you beat woman to stay by your side, how long you go beat them for them stay by your
Me never
side?
say if you beat them, daddy.
No, you never said that, but me I say, if you beat a woman to stand by your side, how long you can do that for she stay by your side? If she want cheat, she a go do it. It no matter how you keep her beside your neat, she a go cheat.
Me think, daddy, me can't know man my hand man cheat.
So you say my woman a cheat?
Me never say that, daddy. In fact, me want to say me informer. Me have try the example me I show you, daddy.
Yeah, me get what you tell me. Yeah. I respect that for you. Yeah, come on, a bridging and a talking about your relationship.
I respect you, but me I like what me I see in the street, you know.
What you see?
Yeah, man, me say want me have a bridging. And the woman of a man best friend. I mean, I be able to see for me, so me I see. Me like that.
No man, that good man. She have a boy best friend. As me I tell her say, you know bother me.
Me never. You make it look like you me I talk to.
I could have who? No me.
No, me say me have a bridging.
Then I'm me a bridging.
But you want me to inform and now we go to man like say your job won't and job won't say that daddy.
No, me not.
Me I show you daddy.
That me I try to tell you say a whole heap of people forward come tell me. Say me woman and rule. You get it?
Me get it now.
So now that me I try to tell you. But me I tell you say a nigga now pressure, everything good. I him a look bored.
He might look bored something for true. Me I tell him I look bored something man. He might look bored his suit then.
No, you know say you just make my brain get mad now.
No, me never say that.
Me still not go and me I go do my woman nothing because I'm sure say she not cheat.
Me never say if you
she will never do it.
But still if you just keep a close eyes out and open your eyeball open up wide. Just open your eyeball my father man. You see it? Because I tell you man, you see me? Like other man can't tell you, or what them see them tell you, my father. And me here bridge now me say come and show you a prayer.
So you tell me say you see things?
Eh?
You see things?
Me no see nothing daddy, me say something.
No, but a while ago you say a way a man see, them a come tell you. So me say you see things.
I know sit me I see in the street man. No sit me must me can't see them in the blind. Me can't see, so me not see you right now. How we are reason? Me see enough sitting on the road man.
Alright my father, respect.
Yeah man.
But as me I tell you say everything good still.
Everything
me
good
no
man.
want like that now go on. You see me? Because what you know, you see all the baddest man. Female wanna achieve on him. One some man want cheat, you can't tap it.
No, you can't.
All if you're the richest man in the world, you can't tap it. So if she really want cheat for me, you can't tap it.
Me no like she them type of meat there, no, my father. Coming by, you have some man sitting with big, you know, my dog. You know, me I wonder, daddy, because shit at the home, I'm going to go last. You have to come with a rope and haul me out. No, daddy, man, I'm alone with it. When we left, a man can't go there. When we left.
No man good still, man. No man good still.
Alright, so you say?
You just make my mind get corrupt still.
Me no, daddy, me not do that.
But yo, you were going to the party last night.
I was going.
Say Merlin go catch him man, Travis man. With the new girl there Travis have. And I inform still enough. I just tell me, I tell me go on. Me say
party festive.
When Merlin see man to backside like a stroke scene catch on there.
You know artist. Rough, me I tell you.
Yo, what? I go back around me yard, I go make a one pack soup still, isn't me?
Do that.
Kind of not feel very good still, isn't me?
Oh, no, but I put it on your head though, my father, no put it on your brain.
I set that so.
Why you look so?
Me link you man, isn't me?
Me up on the ground.
But just make them know in the street, my woman, he govern, his best friend, now go in the jungle.
Alright.
Here, I don't want them out there talk and fumble. So we link up?
Yeah man.
Alright, me a look.
Or if I go for such man start swim. Because I done swim already still.
Yo, Chad! Rasta boy. Check in.
Come on.
No man, yes, some reason man. Check in.
Alright, come on. I'm black. Think good?
Not really, you know, but when me hear everything, me feel like you eat good. So, you know, really forward for violate it still, you know. Me just want know everything because me I hear some things in the street
Like one of
say my woman a cheat. I mean I know if she a do it, so I want to find out if it's real.
Well, if she a cheat and with me, you know, so I don't know why that link
No,
up
but
with
that them a say. I never miss it, so you know.
With me?
Yes.
Who can tell you that, bro? Huh?
People are telling me that.
Say
And
me?
I try to corrupt my mind because I say baddest thing behind me in a deal.
Yeah.
Me know you not violate me them that way there.
No, I'm not going to do that. No, I'm
So I'm forward if you look bored. So I want to kind of know.
Alright, so what you need to know?
Where you are in a different
Listen,
thing.
I just, because we work the same place sometimes. See? And me and she just deal with certain things where if she ever help me out, move on chair or certain things and so forth, I just that. And I'm nothing, you know, no thing where you have to worry about.
A question. You a woman?
Brother, I must say me a chef, bro.
No, me ask if you a woman.
If me a what?
Woman.
No.
You alone can move on chair.
No, listen to me, I say, man.
Why my woman have to help you move on chair?
No, bro. Yeah, it's like in a ear me I try to tell you, you know. It's like which part when in a restaurant. For example, now me a forward with one hot pot and me a walk through and me say, excuse me there. Marika can move that chair for me. She move a chair. So it's not like say me I tell her I say,
tell me
pass the chair and
like
come sit down and me say,
woman.
brother, I would never do that, man.
Oh, that.
You see me I say, bro.
I get what you say now.
You get it.
Long time. I get what you say now.
As long as I get it.
Them a corrupt my mind. Because I tell them say nothing like that, man.
Don't make nobody tell you no foolishness, bro. Trust your woman.
Trust her.
Yes, and that's if you do. Don't trust people out the road who talk.
I never trust a shop yet and me I trust my woman.
Alright. Credit good, man. So, as me I say, know yourself, man, everything good. Me there now I wait. Because I tell you, say, I want soup if you go make, but you know, they might give me one time myself forward, extra time, and me there I wait still. You understand me? I say,
alright, me really forward for you that the business.
Me I tell you, say,
woman me forward for check, but
yeah, but me
so me think everything good now. So
yeah.
Yeah,
but,
look.
What you hear me I say? If soup done, you know, we can bring one come
here.
Yeah,
my woman now make no soup.
Listen, me I say.
Me no want to hear your
argument. What me I say is that when the soup done, she want some. So me I say if me bring it's soup, can me bring a cup for her. So me I say me can bring a cup for you.
I can't want me take you and burn up it one.
Yo,
look come on here.
See me I talk about, bro. That's why me can agree all the time.
Look
everything good. See? I'm gonna hold it.
Me I come with you and I see me dress up and everything already.
No, that's easy. Easy yourself. I go up on the road and come back. When I come back, me spend some lovely time. What this man?
Go on the road video. Every time you go chill with your friend, them more have little time with you on the road too. Hide and seek.
And I know hide and seek. We don't play that. But anytime your friend come link, you realize I'm in the day we don't come in, I want to feel like I'm watching.
That different. But me not talk about my friend now, me talk about me and you, me talk about relationship.
Me know say me and you, but I'm a virgin, then me I go link. Me tell you tell me don't have a woman virgin.
So what does have to do? You still can't carry me.
So no, listen now. When me carry you go around my virgin, the man me did a laugh and a chat. And me a drink two rum and you sit down there so and we there yes so. How you go feel about that? You better you stay yes so.
Me not go feel now you become a man today. Me just stay one side and
okay today, baby. I tell you I come back later, me and me rum, me fling it down. And
it's alright. Go on.
I me I look bored.
It's good.
So we come back,
Yeah. Yeah, me say yeah later.
Just come and I don't want you to bex up your face, you know. Put on a smile on the face, you know. I don't want you to bex it up. Smile. That's something like, can you look? There. Later. I'm gonna come back later. Me and you play up and ride up in the book.
Alright, later. Hi, best friend. No. My boyfriend gone on the road. I'm there, I'm boring. I want somebody to talk to. You can come and link me. Yeah, we can Netflix and chill. Yeah, cause that a long time. Hurry up, not take long, you know. Come now, come out the door, come wait for you. Alright, me a wait. Alright, don't know, you're too excited. Later. Master God. Best friend? Best friend?
What? No! Hold on, I really want to go. No, let's get it though.
Yeah, we can stay in.
So what?
No.
What's wrong, no, man? No thing to talk about.
What we have to talk about?
Tell me again, I say, yo, today was that day. I can't even say, man, gone left him.
I did want to go with him, but since I must stay home.
A good thing in though. I can stay home because you're safe for you. Sometimes you have to understand, say, you know, when God say, this here for there, you can't do no ways but this.
True.
Understand? And you have to feel comfortable and safe because enough things are going around now. You don't know the next move or who. Because people can do around you and do things, you know, and you don't know about them. So you basically in a situation where it's like, you know, you can be at the wrong place at the wrong time.
At the wrong time, if it's true.
You understand? So yeah, just give God thanks and tell you stay home. It's safer.
That's why I call look and I say, yeah, all the person can keep me company and make me feel like better.
Girl, you do feel 24/7, man. There's nothing you can think of where I'm not going to confirm with you. You understand?
Yeah.
Man, tell them, man.
I'm really appreciate it too.
And thank you for making food for me the other day. Oh my God, you can cook, you know, girl. Your man tells you can cook?
No, I never said that to
girl,
you, but
you can cook. I'm going to say you can cook, Even though you need the flour, you know, too tight, you know, too slack. You know what I mean? I mean, no, say the same way, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, I appreciate it, man. And
so
then,
your phone then?
No, son.
You left your phone?
I hurry so much to put the phone on charge.
So we're gonna watch Netflix pan now.
We can make Netflix, man. You know, so we can talk stories. You know, because we can talk some nice stories, like horror story, like, you know. So once upon a time, there was a little girl in a lane. The time get little dark, but she never realized that she was watching the stars. The stars were so nice. It happened that a guy was passing by, one of our longtime friends, and she said, "How is it that I am here right now and you're passing at that same time? How is that possible?" You know what happened after? They talk and then measurement and then say, "Yo, I never know say what is to be has got to be until tonight." Yeah. Yeah, what is to be has got to be. You can't force stuff. You know what I mean? What if me when I force myself on you, like throw it on the bed and, you know, fling you over and something there. Can't do that. You have to tell you know, and so forth. But still, we click. And we always connect in a certain way. Not true? Naturally. I mean, there's no, I know you feel comfortable, I know you feel nice.
Yeah, I feel comfortable.
You want somebody to talk to. And that is what a good girl needs in her life. Somebody to rub her down, kiss her up on her forehead if possible. You don't know all these little things.
Yes.
You wrong me?
No.
Tell her what I'm say, you know.
By the way, we're a girlfriend. What that?
You know, say me not like a loud thing, right? You know, like a loud noise. Me is not a loud and vulgar person.
So they want a loud too?
If me want a loud woman, me go down a market and go look at woman a market but sell. Cause them have to shout. You understand me I say? Me not like them something there. I go like a you me like where talk and you reason and you want to just have fun with your man. You understand?
Yeah.
Something I look for man. Sometimes I think about it and say, what if me and you together? How you don't feel?
Well, we not think about that, no best friend. We are best friends.
Go on, let me try something. Oh, what?
What that?
What's that? Is that me tell you sometimes we don't know if you don't know. It's alright. Try to be safe.
Don't do that again. When I like that.
See the panda?
No.
So hold on. You mean to tell me, say, me and your best friend, and you break my feelings because me if me want to kiss you as my best friend, me suppose I can kiss you.
From a forehead.
Me don't want to kiss upon your forehead alone. No, me don't want to kiss upon your forehead.
From a jaw.
Me want to kiss upon your lip. Rub it down sometime. That, you know.
They go too far.
And no matter how far, it's like, you make it seem like, me not wrong.
You're wrong.
But I mean, they are comfort you, and I make you feel safe and them something there.
What?
Right now, I'm
Chad. Stop this right now. When you come off with?
Me not come off with nothing. I tell you what is. Sometimes you have to just stop playing hard and stop going like you and see what I want. Look in front of you. What if I'm your man for life? Eh?
You come like I'm a fix in there. Yeah, you have to make your sense. Then come back. You're mad, me, your best friend. Without both things.
So that's just it?
Yeah, that's just it. Where did I think? I'm going to tell something of a man.
And your man now treat you good. Read the signs now. Right now, me if you don't have been and run with the boy. Come up on the sheet and in front and come.
Chad, stop.
Come like a good thing, I'm left my phone. Alright, you're all gone now. When you see me on the road, you take your left side and take your right side.
So what happened? What happened?
Me not depend that. Me can't have a woman so good and look good and smell good and all them something and me can't touch her, hug her up and do all them things. Even one time, one little time.
Me no want hurt her feelings, but me and your best friend, me think that that's how we advertise. We always over. Chad.
Yeah.
Yeah?
You ready?
Ready for what?
Eh?
Huh?
Mash it down?
No, not tonight.
Eh?
Just lie down. Just come in. Just
Lie down.
Yeah, just let
Let me go. Ease yourself, babe. Ease yourself. Ease yourself. Oh, that's a boy. Come on.
You better
Boy. Let it. What that?
What?
Babe, what that?
I don't know. I just come look for me. That's all. Nothing happened.
In a me house? Hey, me will give you 2 tight and turn it for me to you.
No, do that. Babe, me sorry.
Hey.
I don't. No happen.
Hey, me and them rum now. Hey, what am I doing here?
You just
Get up off my drum. What am I doing here?
You just go look for me. Sorry.
So what am I doing in my bedroom? Me not tell us me no want no man in my bedroom. Listen to me I say. Listen, look for me good. Look for me
sorry.
good. Hey, listen,
No,
I don't want no sorry. Listen to me and say no, and listen to me good. You see, if you and that boy never see one him again,
But
me I go let you know. 4 out of this. 2 for you, and 2 for him. Me say if me ever see you and him, ever say, hey, me I let you know. Me no business.
Let me go. Let me go.
So you want war me for him now?
Me not war. But when I'm supposed to give me attention, you give me attention.
Oh, you mean?
No, he might give me attention.
He might give you sex too.
No.
He might give you sex too.
No.
He might give you sex too.
Let's subscribe yet.
Yeah.
I choose.
You choose.
I choose you. I choose you.
Yeah.
I choose you.
That's what you say.
I choose you. I choose you. See, at first I thought it was just a game. Another girl messing with my brain. Broken heart can make your feelings change. Have me here thinking all girls are the same.
That's where you made a big mistake. was sticking up for you, telling me your words could be true.
Baby, can't you see I was jealous?
Why you jealous?
Girl, your best friend is a man.
Boy, you know what we shared wasn't regular.
Baby, now I understand. I choose.
You say you choose.
I choose you.
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 So please explain to my brain with some honesty. What if I had a best friend?